Hi Rosebuds and welcome back to the Nava Rose channel. Today we're going to be playing with some graphic eyeliner looks because it's been trending a lot recently, and I partnered with MAC for this video for their new Color Access gel pencil eyeliners. They sent me all 12 shades, so I'm going to test them out by doing different graphic eyeliner looks, but I'm going to be doing 6 different aesthetics with the look. So we're going to do like soft, grungy, etc, etc. So let's just jump into it. I had to do a little outfit change. I'm gonna start off with a look that I feel like is one of the easier ones that is not so difficult. I think I'm gonna try to do easiest to kind of less easy slash difficult. So this look is more just like a little swoopy and then like another little swoopy. It's a little bit more simple. So we're gonna use brown for this look. So I'm just gonna follow my crease or like above my crease. Ooh. Cute. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. Okay, well, I'm gonna do an inner one right here and then a little outer one right here. That's cute. Okay, I'm gonna do the other side. So this is look 1. I guess this would be like an everyday type of aesthetic. Like you could literally use this with any look that you're going for. It's really simple, very easy. These pencils glide on really easily too. I feel like this look is super easy to do whatever skill level you have. Like if you're just a beginner or you have been doing makeup for a while. I did it under 5 minutes, I think. So okay, look number 2. Next is a soft look, and I'm going to be recreating this eyeliner, graphic eyeliner look. So it has like a little swoop and then a little flower. I thought it was cute. And this is my outfit that's going with this look today. I'm going to be using these 3 colors for this look. This is look number 2. I must say that it was really hard to take off look number 1. I was really scrubbing my eyeballs, which is a pro because they are pretty water resistant and smudge free. If you use them for your waterline, they last 12 hours, but if you use them on your lid or anywhere else, they last about 24 hours. That's great, but maybe not right now when I'm trying to switch each look out. Try to start with a little flower. All these pencils are retractable too, so you don't even need to sharpen them or anything. Okay, so I made the little flower. I'm gonna do a little dot here, a little dot there, a little dot there, a little dot here, and a little dot here. And you have your flower. Wow, that's cute. These are perfect for like festival season or just spring, summertime. And then with the yellow, I'm just gonna make the little center of the flower. Yellow on white is probably not the best option. This eye is definitely a lot better. Then to finish it, I am going to line the rest of my eye with a wing. So I'm just outlining the top of my wing right now, like my current wing. This color is called The Last Word. Okay, so I did my wing, and then I'm going to connect this all the way to my flower. That's cute. These liners are so easy to use. And they're like super pigmented, which is really nice. Okay, this is look number 2. I like this look. She's adorable. It matches my cardigan and my top. Look number 3 is more of like a 60s, 70s psychedelic art ho type of vibe. I don't know what else to call it, but we're gonna do squigglies. I thought this was cool because there's like 2 colors in one. We are gonna use the colors Tat Last and Commitment Issues because it matches my outfit today. I don't really have a game plan for this. I'm just gonna make squiggles on my face. A squiggle here. And then bring it down to my inner corner. I feel like you can't really see this one. It kind of blends in with my skin tone. And then I'm just gonna go like behind it. Maybe I'll do one in front. Oh, that's cute, I guess. It's definitely giving DNA and not groovy. This is look number 3. You know, she's not my favorite, to be honest. I decided to try white on this eye because I just felt like the lilac wasn't popping on my skin tone. I think if I chose different colors, the look would be a lot cuter. But I decided to go with these colors because of my outfit. It's another minimal graphic liner look. I'm just gonna say the aesthetic for this one is a little bit more bro streetwear. I feel like I had to throw in an aesthetic that matches that style, so this is the look we're going for. For this look, we're gonna use these 2 colors, and it is Perpetual Shock and Glide or Die. We're also gonna use Incorruptible because I want to try to blend the white and the blue together. Gonna go like up and halfway-ish. And then kind of continue it towards the inside of my crease. And then I'm gonna grab the black liner, and then I'm gonna do the same exact thing, but I'm gonna make it its own wing. And then this one's gonna go all the way to my inner corner. But then I'm also gonna finish this eye. I'll be right back. So this is look number 4. She's cute. I like her. This look was really simple. I do like how there's like a little transition ombre effect here. This would be a really easy look to do with whatever colors that you're wearing. Hi, we're back for look number 5. As you can tell just by my accessories and my outfit what aesthetic it is. We're doing a Y2K. For the Y2K look, I'm gonna go for this butterfly look. I have not done this look with a gel liner before, so this is definitely gonna be a first for me. The only color we're gonna be using for this look is just Incorruptible, which is just a plain white. I'm just gonna do like this, like so. Down maybe, and then bring this one up here and then drag it down. I'm just gonna line the top of my eye. I'm just gonna make lines, honestly. I'm just like making random lines at this point. Then I'm gonna thicken the outer border. The inspo that I'm using for this photo has kind of like a bleeding, like running watercolor type of effect. So I'm just gonna use the pencil and then like drag down like this, like really loosely. Don't know how this is gonna look because it looks a lot cooler with black liner, but I definitely wanted to use white eyeliner for this one. I will come back and do the other side. So this is look number 5. I feel like it would look a lot better if it was black. This look probably wasn't the best look for the Y2K. I mean, it kind of fits. I added some rhinestones. I feel like I could have done a better job with the lines on the inside. I love the butterfly look for festivals and shows. Still cute though. Look number 6, this is the last look. We're going more of an edgier look. We're just going to use the color Glide or Die, which is the black liner. Okay, so I have to draw a really thick wing for this one. I'll do that. And then there's like a second wing right here, like a lower lash wing. This part might be a little difficult, so I'm basically going to do a little design at the very top, like above my crease. Swoop up like that, and then like another curve like right here, one more down here, and then like a little tail thing here. And then I'm just gonna fill this in. I feel like I want to add a tail right here. Okay, I'm gonna finish the other eye. This is look number 6. Cute. This actually might be really cool with a colored gel liner too, but black is always just such a classic. It just fits the vibe. The full outfit is here. Alright, so those were all the looks. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you happen to try any of these looks, definitely tag me because I would love to see them. I will also link MAC's Color Excess Gel Pencil Eyeliner down in my description box so you all can check that out. They are super easy to work with no matter what your skill level is. That's pretty much it. I love you all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!